High-speed automation ensures precise application of the anti-corrosion coating. Every joint is then meticulously inspected before the airframe moves to storage. The massive Su-27 wing spar enters the containment chamber. Here, powerful ventilation systems
The alignment on jig 4 looks precise.
Confirmed. The laser calibration is spot on for the next batch.
Inspection complete on section Charlie. No porosity or microcracks detected. Structural integrity confirmed.
T-minus 2 minutes until extraction.
Bubbling looks steady, surface activation is optimal.
Roger that. Logging the parameters now.
Serpentine arm precisely navigates the inlet duct, using high-velocity ceramic beads to etch the surface for
Sensor feedback looks good. Uniformity is holding at 99%.
Excellent. The laser mapping is working perfectly.
high volume, warm air is circulated, initiating the flash-off stage, allowing solvents to evaporate before the high-temperature cure. Inputting the specific curing profile settings now. This initiates the critical phase for the Sukhoi Su-27 coating. Alignment sequence complete. Zero gap tolerance confirmed.
Acknowledged. Proceed to structural bolting.
The bead consistency looks perfect.
Yes, the automated finisher did a great job.
Data check complete. Everything is within tolerance.
Confirmed. It's a pass.
Morning. The compliance certificate, summarizing the corrosion treatment process, is archived and uploaded to the cloud.
With process A finalized and stored, we shift focus to the secondary phase. Here, specialized polymer materials are meticulously prepared for high-precision molding.
Gasket packaging preparation, process B. A robotic arm carefully picks up stacks of 20 identical gaskets.
The material consistency held up perfectly through the heat cycles.
Confirmed. Dimensions are stable. Process B audit is complete.
Signing off now.
The robotic gripper flexes the finished dark gray sealing gasket. This ensures its long-term sealing function on the Sukhoi Su-27 flanker.
The foam ensures the sensitive components will not shift during global logistics. A robotic arm gently presses the
That's the specialized gaskets for the central depot.
All accounted for, restraints engaged, good to go.
From the controlled environment to the open highway, these gaskets represent the critical final phase of the supply chain.
Security seals scanned and verified. All specialized components are accounted for.
Look at the gauges. Solid green across the board.
Confirmed. The gasket is fully functional at -40.
The gasket exhibits no degradation, confirming its chemical resistance. A caliper verifies.
The dark gray sealing gaskets, manufactured in Process B, are essential. They protect the Su-27.
Checking the main access panel now. See if the Process B seal's held up.
Reading clear on the moisture sensor. It's completely dry inside.
Abrams. The aerodynamic flush fit, achieved through Process B, ensures zero drag. The feeler gauge confirms the that adhesion is perfect. This gasket ensures the reliability of the Su-27's complex systems.